Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, we had a little bit of noise yesterday around oil, which did impact the indexes. But if you look at what's going on the dollar, this looks like confusion. Tails to the upside, tails to the downside. Bob wire, oscillators grouped to the downside. Everything just telling me we need to be very cautious. And what I do want to do here is just want to get this level in and just swing to the left, and you'll see there is structure here. Okay, so the minute you start drilling down to the time frames, you will see a range, and you can see that gap there was the oil noise. So we are very much in a range at the moment. I would be reluctant to be chasing longs or shorts at the moment until we break this structure. So I'd want to see us get above this level for longs, to be quite honest, and that's at 107,662. And then I want to break and retest of this for shorts. That's 107,049. So basically that means we're probably not going to get a trade in this pair today. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, similar kind of picture. You can see we broke through here, but now we're really stalling. Look at the oscillators. Both pairs are grouped tightly to the top and starting to cross over. That to me is fairly significant. So the minute we start dropping down to the hour, you see we were pretty much up and down again yesterday. So I'm reluctant here as well. I think this gap is going to be a magnet, probably come down and try to close a magnet, but we're probably just going to bounce around here. So I'm staying out of this as well. Ultimately, I'd be looking for, well, actually the gap is there. That's the bottom of the gap there, because that's where the bar closed, and you can see we gapped up and then just went sideways. So this is the level I'd be paying attention to, 147, 159. Start breaking that, coming back to test that. That gives us a big juicy double top for a move to the downside, and we've got this big gap here still in play as well. So for the dollar, I don't think there's going to be a move today. There is data coming out today which may impact it, but I think we're probably waiting for something else. Moving on to British pound, Japanese yen, and one look at that chart tells you exactly what I want to tell you. Stay well away. We are sideways, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down. And the minute you start getting down onto the hour, you start seeing massive move up. When was that? That was Tuesday. Massive move down yesterday. So what exactly is going on? If you look at it at the daily, it's going to give you big up, big down, big confusion. I'm really reluctant at the moment, and there's a strong area of support here, but I'm also very, very, very cautious of this pair. I don't trust what I'm seeing at the moment. We have broken the moving averages, so if it holds, then there could be a move to the downside brewing, but I think it's going to take a while to settle out because the strength of this up move was relatively strong if you look at that. So it's going to take us a while to form the rounding top and the break before we start getting a change in direction. But for me, I am on the sides there. Moving to Euro British Pound, and exactly the same. Big down, big up. Big confusion again. Minute we get to the hour, you can see we're not adhering to any of the levels. We were below this. We were looking for a rejection there yesterday. Failed, got the top, and took out the next level. So I'm going to sit quietly, just wait for better structure. When price does this and doesn't respect any of the levels, then you know you need to just sit back and wait for better days. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. I'm not trading Forex. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.